building a mature business. There are phases to growing an inspection business. Phase 1 is infancy, where you're doing everything yourself. Phase 2 is adolescence, where you start building systems. And phase 3 is maturity, where your business runs smoothly with or without you. Most home inspection businesses never leave infancy. They depend completely on you, the owner, the inspector, the technician. Every decision, every email, every inspection, every report needs the owner's direct involvement. Mature inspection businesses have clear systems, processes, and standards that anyone could follow. They're built to grow beyond the founder. Do this right now. Identify one task that someone else could do in your company with proper training. Write it down step by step with instructions to complete that task.